Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel, Alex TV. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the new subscribers. Hapa ndio home, hapa ndio base, hapa ndio kila kitu. Habari zote ambazo unataka kusikia za michezo, za burudani, za vitina na kadhalika zipo hapa. Even political news, we got them and we got you covered. Now continue subscribing and liking to our channel as we scale to the 2000 mark. Thank you very much. So ni kuwakumbusha tu yeah. There is that phrase yenye inatamba na Gen Z, kuwakumbusha tu yeah. Today is August 1st. Tomorrow kutakuwa na national tournament yenye inaanza kule what you calling as M-Pesa Foundation, national sports among the secondary schools. We also have this week we've had an array of activities. Yeah, kumekuwa pia na the girlfriend's day. Yeah, sijui kama kuna boyfriend's day, I don't know, but yesterday it was girlfriend's day. Na tuliona kwamba watu wengi waliweza kushabikia siku kama hiyo. I don't know if somebody sent you something as a result of you being his girlfriend ya kusema. So I don't know kama ulitumiwa kitu. But mi nimekam kurealize kwamba hii kalenda iko na days nyingi za ladies as compared to men. I don't know. Down the comment section unaweza ni correct kama nasema ukweli ama wrong. Yeah? Even the toilet day, yeah? Inabadilishanga inakuwa pia women's day. So I don't know how true it is, but down the comment section unaweza jaribu kutuambia kunaenda aje. Now, down the memory lane, many years ago, yeah, in 1982, we remember that day when the junior officers of the KDF, or the Kenya Air Force, that is, who was stationed in Nanyuki, wanted to overthrow the second president of the Republic of Kenya, that is Hayati Mzee Moi, yeah, Daniel Arap Moi. And we are told that it was just a resentment among the junior officers against those who were senior. And that resentment was led by none other than Ezekiah Ochuka. Yeah, he was later imprisoned and later on tried, yeah, for that particular capital offense. But we are told huko nyuma yule mwenye alisaidia Moi sana asitoke hiyo kiti alikuwa jamaa anaitwa Mohamud, yeah? Meja ambaye alikuwa anaitwa Mohamud, ambaye alisaidia na pamoja with other some senior officers walienda Nanyuki wakajaribu kutuliza wale ambao walikuwa wanaleta vurugu, yeah? Now this thing happened. That was the shortest coup. By that particular time we are told kulikuwa na coup zinatendeka Afrika, kulikuwa na DRC Congo, kulikuwa na Uganda and many others. So Kenya walikuwa najaribu waone kama wanaweza toboa, so that at least kukuwe na a change in leadership. Basically pressure yenye ilikuwa inakuja juu ya hiyo story ya coup ilikuwa because of the one party system yenye ilikuwa hapo. You are either in KANU or not. So hiyo ndio ilileta mambo ikakuwa mwecheche na hao junior officers wakasaidia, but the attempt was futile because when they went to KBC to announce that the country has been taken over by the jeshi or the military, they were met with a lot of resentment na immediately, yeah, hata iku last 5 minutes Mohamud katangaza kwamba it had been restored back to the President Daniel Arap Moi. After that restoration, tunaambiwa kwamba Moi aliamua kutoa kiboko, yeah, even to the opposition. So today it was a remarkable day. The attempted coup never happened, or it happened for 5 minutes and it was later on subdued by the senior officers in the Kenya Air Force. So down the memory lane, that is exactly what happened many years ago. Najua Gen Zs hawezi kuwa wanaelewa hii, but now that is a revolution that once happened but never succeeded. It has been your boy Alex. Continue subscribing and liking to our channel. Until next time, adios.